guys, welcome back to Fancy and Ribbon. Okay, so I wanted to start this new series on my channel called Craft with Me. Basically, it's in the title, you craft with me while I work and make things for the shop. Over winter break, I was going through inventory and I have a lot of things that I'm kind of low on, so I decided that I'm just going to discontinue the items. So if you guys are interested in anything that I'll be posting in the next couple of weeks, go check that out. I'll be 50% off. And so yeah, basically what I have is what I have. So with these bags, I think I ended up making 9, and that's pretty much it what I have. So if you are interested and want the discount, go check it out. Like I said, I'll be linked down below. But yeah, let's finish these bags and enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys in the next video.